Today we're speaking with Marj Faust, who's based in Madison, Wisconsin. She's a global dairy consultant and a columnist for dairybusiness.com. We're going to talk today about the new crossbreeding genetic evaluations produced by the Council on Dairy Cattle Breeding, or CDCB. Marj, give us a little bit of overview on how these evaluations have come through in this April run.
Hi, Joel. I'm really happy to be here and speak with you and all of your readers and participants. So the new April genomic evaluation now includes this new and improved crossbreeding evaluation, genomics evaluation for crossbreds. The really neat thing about it is that genomics and genetic value is important not only for purebreds, but also for crossbreds. And now people that have now operations and breeders that have crossbred animals that they're trying to improve have really good and solid genomic information on those crossbred animals as well as on purebreds.
You've talked about the fact that these are improved evaluations and help avoid some of the challenges that may have been present in some of the other countries who've tried to do this. Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so producing a crossbred, producing genomic evaluations for crossbreds does have a lot of challenges to it, as we've seen. When some of the other countries have tried to implement that. And what USDA as well as the CDCB has come up with here in the US is a system that provides solutions to a lot of the challenges that some of the other countries have run into in trying to implement this for crossbreds. One of the neat things about our system is that we now can provide genomic evaluations regardless of the crossing that's occurred with Ayrshire, Brown Swiss, Guernsey, Holstein, and Jersey. So various combinations of those breeds all can get genomic evaluations on their crossbreds.
We know that many thousands of crossbred cattle had been previously genomically tested before this system, with results that now look a little bit different. Help us understand the improvement that's going to occur for some of these cattle owners who've previously been involved with genomic evaluations for their crossbreds.
Yeah, and at the extreme example, producers would submit genomics for genomic testing on animals, and they may not have even known that they were crossbred. And what the result they got back was, this is a crossbred animal, and they didn't necessarily, in the worst case, even get a genomic evaluation on them. But now with this new and improved system, we are able to provide back to producers genomic evaluations on all of these types of animals. There are examples in some of the explanation and discussion from CDCB that talks about animals being a composition of 3 or 4 breeds. And even in these kind of complex situations, they're able to provide genomic results back on these. So this is a really big positive for people who are intentionally trying to do crossbreeding. And also for those that are trying to maybe breed up to a Jersey or breed up to a Holstein or some other breeds.
Well, we appreciate your background on this, and you're going to be writing a column for us in one of our early upcoming issues for dairybusiness.com too.
Yes, very, very good. Yes, I'll be getting this to you so that we can get it out there and people can use that as another reference material along with the video that we're doing right now.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Marj. We appreciate your help as always. And some of these genetic issues today can be a little bit complex and we appreciate your helpfulness in sorting them out for us. We're speaking today with Marj Faust, based in Madison, Wisconsin, a dairy consultant and a columnist for dairybusiness.com. This is Joel Hastings for dairybusiness.com.